Hello students, now we will start a topic Pythagoras theorem. In this lecture we will see some more examples. See, find the height of an equilateral triangle having side 2a. Here triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle having each side is equal to 2a, and we have to find the height of the triangle. It means we have to find the length of AM. Here we know all angles of equilateral triangles are 60 degree. It means angle B is equal to 60 degree, angle C is equal to 60 degree, and total angle A is equal to 60 degree. Here AM is the height. It means it is perpendicular drawn from point A to BC. M is equal to 90 degree. Here angle M 90 degree, angle B 60 degree. So this angle ABAM is 30 degree. So here triangle ABM is right angle triangle with measurement of angles are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Let triangle ABC be an equilateral triangle and AM perpendicular BC. In triangle AMB, angle AMB is equal to 90 degree. So we can use here because it is right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square. AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square. We have to find AM. We know the side AB. What about BM? BM is nothing but half of BC, because in equilateral triangle when we draw perpendicular from any vertex to opposite side, it bisects the opposite side. It means BM is equal to half of BC. So here AB square 2a bracket square is equal to AM square as it is, plus BM is BC by 2. What is the length of BC? It is 2a. So here 2a divided by 2 bracket square. Then we calculate about AM. 4a square is equal to AM square plus a square. 4a square minus a square is equal to AM square. AM square is nothing but 3a square. Taking square root on both sides, we get AM is equal to root 3 into a. Root 3 into a. Therefore, length of altitude of a given equilateral triangle is root 3a. Is the first method. Now see about second method. How we can solve this example by another method. Here the triangle AMB is right angle triangle with measurements of angles 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So we can use here 30, 60, 90 theorem. Here angle B is 60 degree and height AM is opposite to 60 degree. We know all side opposite to 60 degree in right angle triangle is root 3 by 2 into hypotenuse. Root 3 by 2 into hypotenuse. Put the values. Root 3 by 2 into 2a. 2 get cancelled and we get root 3a. From this method also this example can be solved. See next example. Do sides 7 cm, 24 cm and 25 cm form a right angle triangle. Give reason. Given sides are 7 cm, 24 cm and 25 cm. Whether we can draw right angle triangle or not. See here, we can use here converse of Pythagoras theorem. If we draw right angle triangle from this side, Pythagoras theorem can be obeyed by this Pythagorean triplet. So we have to find whether this is Pythagorean triplet or not. So first the largest number it is 25. So 25 square is equal to 625. Addition of square of remaining two numbers, 7 square plus 25 square is equal to once again 625, and therefore we can say longest side square is equal to the sum of squares of remaining sides. By converse of Pythagoras theorem, sides 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter form a right angle triangle because it is Pythagorean triplet, and by Pythagorean triplet we can easily draw a right angled triangle. See another important example. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay. Point P is on base BC such that PC is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Here PC is equal to 1 by 3 BC is given. If AB is equal to 6 centimeter, find AP. We have to find the value of AP. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. It is given. So AB is equal to BC is equal to AC is equal to 6 centimeter, because we know in equilateral triangle all sides are congruent. See now, point P is on side BC such that PC is equal to 1 by 3 BC is given. From this we can write PC is equal to 1 by 3 into 6, because the length of BC, side of equilateral triangle, is 6. Therefore PC is equal to 2 centimeter. Number 1. Number 2. Draw AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. We have AB is equal to AC. So BD is equal to DC is equal to BC by 2. It is 6 by 2. It is 3. By converse of perpendicular bisector theorem, BD is equal to DC is equal to BC by 2. Then we get DC is equal to 3. See here, DC is nothing but half of BC, but BC is 6. Therefore DC is equal to 3. Here we find PC is equal to 2, DC total 3 and PC is equal to 2. Obviously DP is equal to 1. Okay, DP is equal to 1. Now in triangle ADC, angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. So angle APC is an obtuse angle. By relation of side opposite to obtuse angle with remaining two sides, that is by application of Pythagoras theorem, we can write AC square is equal to CP square plus AP square plus 2CP into PD. See, here this angle is obtuse angle. Therefore we can use here application of Pythagoras theorem, which is AC square is equal to AP square plus PC square plus 2 into PC into PD. Put the values. 6 square, 2 square, AP square unknown, 2 into 1. So 36 minus 4 minus 4. It is minus 8 is equal to AP square. AP square is equal to 28. Root 28 is equal to AP square, and therefore AP is equal to 2 root 7 centimeter. We have to find the value of AP, which is equal to 2 root 7. In second method, each example have 2 or 3 methods. In second method, see here, this is height. So DC is equal to 3, AC is equal to 6. So DP is equal to 1. DP is equal to 1. अगर AC is equal to 6 है तो इससे पहले एग्जाम्पल में जैसे हमने इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल में हाइट फाइंड आउट की थी, इस तरह हम यहाँ भी हाइट फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। और हाइट फाइंड आउट करने के बाद हाइट की वैल्यू हमें मिलेगी, डीपी की वैल्यू हमें मिल गई है, तो एपी वी कैन फाइंड बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, बिकॉज हियर दिस थ्योरम by application of Pythagoras theorem is deleted for this year, so we can't solve this example by application of Pythagoras theorem. Instead of this, we can solve this example by Pythagoras theorem. See the next example. Pranali and Prasad started walking to the east and to the north respectively from the same point and at the same speed. After 2 hours, distance between them was 15√2 km. Find their speed per hour. See once again. Pranali and Prasad started walking to the east and the north. Here, Pranali and Prasad started walking east and north. एक ईस्ट जा रहा है, दूसरी नॉर्थ जा रहा है। सो इसके बाद हमें इक्वेशन में दिया है फ्रॉम द सेम पॉइंट एंड एट द सेम स्पीड। सेम पॉइंट से शुरुआत की है और दोनों का स्पीड भी सेम है, इसलिए हम यहाँ सेम स्पीड x किलोमीटर पर आवर कंसिडर करते हैं। अगर सेम स्पीड x किलोमीटर पर आवर है तो देखिए यहाँ आफ्टर 2 आवर्स डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम वाज 15√2 किलोमीटर। इन दिस क्वेश्चन प्रणाली goes to north and Prasad goes to east. See the right angle triangle. दोनों ने एक ही पॉइंट से शुरुआत की है, दोनों का स्पीड सेम है और वो स्पीड हमने x किलोमीटर पर आवर कंसिडर किया है। तो हमें पता है फॉर्मूला डिस्टेंस इज नथिंग बट स्पीड इनटू टाइम। स्पीड है x किलोमीटर और टाइम है 2 आवर्स। सो डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय each person, distance covered by Pranali and distance covered by Prasad is equal to 2 into x is equal to 2x. Now see, in triangle ABC, it is right angle triangle with angle B is equal to 90 degree. So, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. It is Pythagoras theorem. Put the values. AC 15√2 square is equal to AB is equal to BC is equal to 2x. So, 2x bracket square plus 2x bracket square. 15√2 450 is equal to 4x square plus 4x square. So 4 plus 4 is nothing but 8x square. So we get x square is equal to 450 divided by 8. It is 225 divided by 4. Taking square root on both sides, we get x is equal to, so root of 225 is 15 and root of 4 is 2. So x is equal to 15 by 2, it is nothing but 7.5, and therefore speed of Pranali and speed of Prasad is equal to 7.5 kilometer per hour. See the example. In triangle ABC, segment AD perpendicular BC, DB is equal to 3CD, DB is equal to 3CD. And we have to prove 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Here given triangle ABC, segment AD perpendicular BC and DB is equal to 3CD. To prove 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Now in proof, in triangle ADB, angle ADB is equal to 90 degrees. So we can use here Pythagoras theorem. We get AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. We have BC is nothing but CD plus DB. BC is nothing but CD plus DB. BC is equal to CD plus 3CD because we have BD is equal to 3CD. In the given, BD is equal to 3CD, so replace BD by 3CD. Here BC is nothing but CD plus 3CD is 4CD, and from this we get CD is equal to BC by 4. Now see equation 1. It becomes AB square is equal to AD square plus equation 1. AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square. But DB is equal to 3CD. Replace DB by 3CD. So it becomes AD square plus 3CD bracket square, which is equal to AB square is equal to AD square as it is plus 3 square 9 CD square CD square. This can be written as AB square is equal to AD square plus 9 as it is. What is CD? See here, CD is nothing but BC by 4. So put the value of CD in this equation. It is CD square. It means BC square by 4 square. BC square by 16. It is equation number 2. Now in triangle ADC, angle ADC is equal to 90 degrees. So once again by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. We know CD is nothing but BC by 4. So AC square is equal to AD square plus BC square by 16. It is equation number 3. Subtracting equation 3 from 2. Equation 2 is AB square is equal to AD square plus 9BC square by 16, and here AC square is equal to AD square plus BC square by 16. Subtracting equation 3 from 2, we get AB square minus AC square. Subtraction of LHS is equal to AD square plus 9BC square by 16 minus AD square minus BC square by 16. We get AD square get cancelled. Here 9BC square by 16 minus BC square by 16, denominators are same. So subtraction of numerator only. We get 9BC square minus BC square is 8BC square by 16. 8 1 za, 8 2 za. So we get 2AB square, 2AC square. It means 2AB square minus 2AC square is equal to BC square. So 2AB square is equal to minus LHS RHS जाने के बाद वो प्लस होगा 2AC square plus BC square, hence the proved. यही हमें प्रूव करने के लिए बताया था. और एक इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जाम्पल देखिए. इन द फिगर ट्रायंगल PQR is an equilateral triangle is most important information. Triangle PQR is equilateral triangle. It means side PQ, side QR and side RP are congruent. Angle Q is equal to angle R is equal to 60 degree because equilateral triangle. See next. Point S is on segment QR. Point S is on segment QR. Okay, such that QS is equal to, distance QS is equal to 1 by 3 into QR. Okay, we have to prove 9PS square is equal to 7PQ square. We have to prove that 9PS square is equal to 7PQ square. See, in triangle PQR, it is equilateral triangle. Point S is on QR such that QS is equal to 1 by 3 QR. We have to prove 9PS square is equal to 7PQ square. Here construction, draw PT perpendicular QR. अगर PT perpendicular QR हम ड्रॉ करते हैं तो यहाँ T is the midpoint of QR. ये हमें पता होना चाहिए because this is the property of equilateral triangle. इसके बाद QT is equal to TR is equal to QR by 2 by converse of perpendicular bisector theorem. In triangle PTR, angle T 90 degree, angle R 60 degree. So triangle PTR is 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. और अगर वो 30, 60, 90 डिग्री ट्रायंगल होता है तो PT is side opposite to 60 degree. Therefore, it is root 3 by 2 times PR. Root 3 by 2 times hypotenuse. We have QT is equal to QS plus ST. So, QR by 2 is equal to QR by 3 plus ST from 1, and QS is equal to QR by 3. It is given. So, QR by 2 minus QR by 3 is equal to ST. So, after subtracting, we get 3QR minus 2QR is nothing but QR. 2 3s are 6 is equal to ST. ST की वैल्यू हमें यहां मिल गई QR by 6. Therefore, in triangle PTS, once again by Pythagoras theorem, PS square is equal to PT square plus ST square. Put the values only. PS square is equal to, what is the value of PT? It is root 3 by 2 into PR bracket square plus what is the ST? ST is QR by 6 bracket square. From equation 1 and equation 3, we get the values of PT and ST. Solve this example. PS square is nothing but bracket square root 3 square 3, 2 square 4, PR square plus QR square by 36. After solving, here denominator is 36 and here denominator is 4. Multiply numerator and denominator by 4 9s are 9. So we get 27 PR square plus QR square divided by 36. 27 PR square plus QR square divided by 36. 36 replace to LHS, we get 36 PR square is equal to 27 PQ square PR square plus PQ square. PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR. PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR होने के कारण हम यहाँ 27 PR PQ से रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं, QR भी PQ से रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. तो हमें मिला यहाँ 36 PS square is equal to 27 plus 1. It is 28 PQ square. So here 4 9s are and 4 7s are. So we get 9 PS square is equal to 7 PQ square dividing by 4 on both sides. And we get finally 9 PS square is equal to 7 PQ square. Hence proved. Here we completed the topic Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem में ज़्यादा गुण प्राप्त करने के लिए हमें ज़रूरत है प्रैक्टिस की. सो प्रैक्टिस के लिए मैंने बहुत से एग्जाम्पल जो इम्पोर्टेंट थे ये वहाँ लिए हैं. इसके बाद भी प्रॉब्लम सेट में जो एग्जाम्पल है वो एग्जाम्पल अगर आप सॉल्व करेंगे तो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम के पूरे मार्क्स आपको मिल जाएंगे. थैंक यू.